So, for some context for this video, because I didn't really get a lot in the clips that I filmed, I am going to be moving into Barnard College for 3 weeks. I was a part of their pre-college program, and I did the writing literature track as well as taking leadership classes. So this is kind of just my moving in process. More vlogs will come of my actual student life, but this is me getting to the city, kind of exploring a bit, and then moving in at Barnard. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, please enjoy.
So beautiful. It is so nice. So yeah, it's exciting.
Telling your friends all about me, 'cause I'll be the bad guy in your story, 'cause someone's gotta be. Yeah, someone's gotta be.
To the hotel. It is called Le Meridian, and we have the best view of Central Park. We are only going to be here for a day, but honestly, it's just amazing.
I'll be the bad guy in your story, 'cause someone's gotta be. Yeah, someone's gotta be. Hey baby girl, I love you so much. You're everything. All this focus, texting,
So it is currently Sunday, the day I'm moving in. It's 10:04 New York time. And yeah, I have just gotten back from breakfast, as you saw in the clips, and this is the first time I've kind of gotten to sit down and talk to you guys because I've been definitely on the move. But I was really nervous for kind of just like the whole week before I flew out here, and also kind of like yesterday and a little bit of this morning, but honestly I've gotten on this like group chat with a bunch of the girls that are also like going at the same time as me, obviously, and I think everything's gonna be all right. I've kind of been going back and forth, like whenever I do something big like this where I spend time away from home, I'll either be, yes, this is gonna be so great, or ooh, I'm nervous, but as soon as I get there, I just know it's all gonna go away. I'm not even gonna think about my family, which sounds bad, but whenever I'm doing something exciting like this, genuinely, like, I don't even feel homesick. I just feel terribly excited. So at this point, I'm just ready. I know everything's gonna be good. I have all my suitcases there packed right there, and surprisingly, I'm moving in with only 2. I have a big one that has like all my dorm stuff, like my comforter and things. I had to order one because I don't have a twin bed like in my room, and then the smaller one is my wardrobe. So things are good. I'm excited. Move-in is very soon. I'm moving in at 11 and our hotel is kind of like right across from Central Park, so we have to do the commute by taxi because I have bags, or Uber. I'm not sure what we're doing, but we're driving either way, and then we're gonna go to Morningside Heights and move in shortly. So I will keep you guys updated. For now, I'm kind of just gonna sit, enjoy my last alone time. My mom's on a walk, and just kind of rest because it's gonna be a big day ahead. We have like lots of things on the agenda for the first day. I know there's move-in. We do kind of like a lot of orientation stuff, and then I think we have a pizza party at night. And obviously I'm going to be getting to know my roommate and other people, and just to respect their privacy, I'm probably not going to film a lot in my dorm unless I get like express permission from them. So I'll probably just be taking little clips around because I don't want to make people uncomfortable. I don't want to film people without their permission. So I'll be keeping you guys updated through those little clips, and I'm not sure when I'll talk to you next, but I will keep you updated. I am excited. I'm so excited. It's going to be so great. So I'm gonna rest for the remaining time that I have left, and then let's go move in.
I was a ghost, but now I breathe. Breathe in the memories, breathe out the old me. See the world differently, try to find empathy. You think you're alone, you're never alone. I see your smiles, know their rhythm inside me. Getting the wild, felt what I was feeling, was looking outside, I wasn't looking in. I need warmth on my skin, know this ocean within. I breathe out, I breathe in, I breathe out, I breathe in, I breathe. It feels so beautiful. All around me, all I see is the blue. Shake, wanna roll, we create, wanna know your mind until the end of our. And what's us will be theirs, and then we will share. You can feel it everywhere. I'm getting older, but I still can't read a vibe. 'Cause my world is on fire, but we're saying we're doing fine. I never thought I'd make it here past 25. Ooh, but maybe I just overthinking and wasting time. 'Cause I don't wanna know if I'm better off alone. I'm so happy when I'm sad, I make it up to deal. 'Cause I just need to see what the hell it's supposed to mean, so I can make it better, make it.
We're in the dorm. I am waiting for my roommate to show up, but it is super nice and air conditioned. The moving process was pretty easy, except it was definitely very hot. I already made some friends, but yeah, we're gonna wait around for my roommate and eventually set my room up, and then I'll catch you guys then.
That's just how I feel. I think it over, but I can't convince myself. Corporation got a stake in mental health. Stepping over.
Hey guys, whew, it's been a day. we have been walking around, lots of stuff. I got some snacks. That's what that is right there. And yeah, we kind of just went around. We went to H Mart and we also went to this grocery store and CVS just to get some toiletries with my friends. And now we are here in my dorm room. I'll show you a little bit of my section, but obviously for my roommate's privacy, I'm not gonna show hers. So here we go. This is my bed, and I actually managed to fit all my clothes in these two. Ignore the shoes. Bed, comforter, cute, and then I just fit both of my suitcases back there. I have a laundry basket, and then this is my desk. I've kind of just put most of the stuff in the drawers, and like I said, I fit all my clothes in here, so I don't even really have to use like the wardrobe that they provide, because they did actually provide a wardrobe, which was nice. And yeah, so we have a floor meeting at 9:30, which if you know me is a little late for me. So I'm just gonna kind of sit and read Beloved because that is part of our coursework and I just wanna have it done and be prepared for class tomorrow. And then I'm probably gonna shower, honestly, because I don't like to be gross and I kind of just want to change into the PJs, and I think honestly by 9:30 other people will likely be there in their PJs, and it's honestly just my sweat, so it's not that much different from real life. So yeah, I'm gonna sit down, read Beloved, chill, and then I'll update you guys later. Day one so far is going great. I really love my roommate. She's so sweet, and the view from the room is, yeah, pretty good. Ignore the stains on the window, but like that's the courtyard and stuff. And we were kind of just sitting around there. We had pizza and kind of just went in a line through there. And then I believe the dining hall's like that way. So I'm gonna have to figure that out tomorrow for breakfast. But until then, all is well. I have my snacks and I am set to go. So I'll catch you guys on the flip side, do something about this hair, and read my book. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.
Stars to the colored lights. Is the whole world gray, or am I too blind to the fact that I just make it harder whenever I say that it's not? Maybe I'm being stupid for being a martyr. Maybe it's time